Want to delete a profile from your Netflix account on Android? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to delete a Netflix profile using your Android phone. Let's get started. First up, open your Netflix app. Now on the profile selection menu, you'll see an edit icon. Tap on it. This will give all of your profiles a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil icon over the profile you want to edit. Now, scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap Delete Profile. Netflix will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Delete again. The profile will be removed instantly from your account. Now remember, if the delete option does not show up, that means you're trying to delete the main account owner profile, which cannot be deleted. Only secondary profiles can be removed. And that's it. That's how you delete a profile on Netflix using your Android phone. Hope this video helped you out.